Now that we've covered the basics of what time management is, why it's important, and how to go about implementing it in your daily life, let's take a look at some digital tools that can help you master time management. Goal setting apps will help you formulate and track your goals. An example of this is Coach Me. Coach Me is a habit tracking app which allows you to select goals from a predefined list or even create your own. You can then track your progress in the app. For example, if you decide you'd like to run 5 kilometers by the end of 12 weeks, Coach Me will break that goal down into smaller, actionable tasks like walking for 30 minutes on day one. These smaller actions can then be scheduled, and you can even set up notifications for the app to remind you. Coach Me bundles their goal tracking app with access to a community and coaches to help motivate you and keep you accountable. While the app itself is free, some of the coaching programs require payment. Similarly, Remint helps you by tracking your progress as well as your mood. Remint helps you understand where in life you should focus to achieve balance. Like Coach Me, Remint will help break down your goal into smaller actions to help you develop over time. You can then schedule these actions into your day and set reminders. If you prefer less carrot and more stick, you can give Stick a try. Stick is a commitment platform that requires you to enter a binding contract to achieve your goals. Developed by Yale University, the app asks users to put real cash on the line. This utilizes the power of loss aversion and accountability to motivate you. Calendar apps will help you keep track of events, deadlines, and birthdays, and even organize your day. Google Calendar is pretty common and can be used on your PC and mobile device. It integrates with your email or even other productivity apps. You can schedule once-off events or recurring events that happen daily, weekly, or even annually. It's also possible to keep multiple calendars, and that will help keep your work and personal calendars separate if you so choose. Similarly, the Apple Calendar is available for those who prefer iOS. There are many calendars available, so you're sure to find one that best suits you. Another way to keep track of your events is with a digital journaling app. Journey, which syncs with Google Calendar, gives you the space to create and edit journal entries. You can use it to track your progress, but also store your memories and thoughts along the way. The Pomodoro technique, developed by Francesco Cirillo in the 1980s, is a time management technique that encourages you to work in short bursts, which keeps you focused and less likely to get distracted. It uses a timer to break a task down into 25-minute bursts, and each 25-minute burst is separated by a short 5-minute interval. You can use any old timer, but many apps have been developed which makes this easier. Brain Focus Productivity is just one of many. It is available for both Apple and Android. This app also allows you to customize your working duration and your break duration to suit your needs. If you'd prefer to control your background noise, platforms like Noisely or Calm will provide access to sounds that will help you focus or simply relax. You can listen to the sounds of nature, like cozying up to a campfire, or listening to the sound of gentle rain. If that's not your thing, you can listen to a busy coffee shop, or even white noise. You can play around on the app and listen to a combination of sounds. Noisely is available as an app or as a browser extension for Chrome. If you find yourself constantly reaching for your phone, Forest might help you stay focused and be present. When you open the Forest app, a virtual seed is planted. If you are able to leave your phone alone for the duration of the timer, the tree will grow. However, if you fidget and you reach for your phone before the timer is up, the tree will die. There are many apps like this, which try to discourage you from reaching for your phone. On laptops, or PCs, Platforms like Freedom will stop you from accessing sites that you would like to avoid while focusing. It'll block websites, apps, or even disable your internet access. You can use Freedom to schedule regular outages. That is, Freedom will block your access to, say, social media websites like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram between Monday and Friday from 8 till 5. And Freedom will automatically disable your access to these sites between those times. This can be extremely useful for overcoming our procrastination habits. Hopefully, this gives you a good idea of the kind of apps that are available in the Google Play Store or the iTunes Store or just in your web browser that will help you in your pursuit to manage your time. This wraps up the series on time management. We hope that you found it interesting and that you are better equipped to manage yourselves and your time.